Are you looking for a smartwatch that blends luxury, technology, and fitness tracking without burning a hole in your pocket? No worries. Welcome to my channel, Clothing Clone, the Fashion Hub, where I do product reviews and share insights, tips, and guides in the fashion and beauty industry. Today, I'm unboxing the most anticipated smartwatch of 2025. Meet the Fire-Boltt Phoenix Ultra. A stainless steel smartwatch with Bluetooth calling, AI voice assistant, 120 plus sports modes, and much more. Sounds too good to be true? Let's find out if this is the best smartwatch under your budget. Stay till the end because I have a special deal waiting for you. Alright, let's dive in. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is its premium stainless steel design. This isn't just a smartwatch, it's a statement piece. Whether you wear it to the gym or a business meeting, the sleek modern look demands attention. And let's talk about the display. A 240 pixel high-resolution TFT color full touchscreen that shines even under bright sunlight. That's 320 nits peak brightness. No more struggling to check the time outdoors. And the straps, magnetic stainless steel for a secure and comfortable fit. No cheap rubbery feel, just pure elegance. Now, let's get into the performance and features. A single charge gives you up to 7 days of battery life without Bluetooth calling and around 4 days with it. So, you don't have to worry about charging it every night. With a built-in mic and speaker, you can make and receive calls directly from your wrist. Whether you're driving, working out, or simply don't want to pull out your phone, this feature is a game changer. Need to check the weather, set reminders, or send texts? Just talk to your smartwatch. The built-in AI assistant makes your life so much easier. Track running, cycling, yoga, and even heat workouts. SpO2 and heart rate monitoring for real-time health updates. Sleep tracking and sedentary reminders. Keep you active and well-rested. Control your favorite playlists and even snap photos from your phone with just a tap on your watch. Sweat, splashes, or even light rain? No worries. This watch can handle it. Users are absolutely loving it. One reviewer said, "Great smartwatch for an affordable price. Amazing design, solid Bluetooth calling, and a premium feel." Another mentioned that the speaker quality is impressive for a smartwatch, and the sleek, lightweight design makes it perfect for daily wear. The only minor downside, if you set a custom wallpaper, the image clarity could be improved, but hey, that's something that could be fixed in future updates. So should you buy the Fire-Boltt Phoenix Ultra? If you want a premium-looking, feature-packed smartwatch at an affordable price, this is 100% yes. Luxury stainless steel build? Check. Bluetooth calling and AI assistant? Check. 120 plus sports modes and health tracking? Check. And guess what? It's currently available at an amazing price, so grab yours before the price goes up. Click the link in the description to check the latest price and offers. Hurry before the stock runs out. Smash that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments, what feature do you love the most in this smartwatch? See you in the next video. Happy shopping!